Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera with my girlfriend Lara. So today we're working on the C30. If you guys haven't found out or saw, that made no sense. If you guys haven't seen the reveal video, link's gonna be down in the description below. So this is my girlfriend's new C30 T5 2011 model with a beautiful orange interior. So it's half and half black and half in orange. And today we're gonna be installing new wheels and new tires. So should be a pretty nice and simple video. It's going to be probably very short, but I think you guys will enjoy today's video. You'll be doing it?
You'll be
Lara's going to be doing it. I'll be filming. You guys, it's going to be her first build on the channel, so she got to start somewhere. Let's get to work. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to let Lara explain the first steps. So what do we have to do to start off the video? What do you do? What's the first thing you do when you do tires? Before the car's lifted up in the air, right? So we have the jack, we have, what do you have in your hand? What is that for?
The forbidden wound.
The forbidden wound? That makes no sense. It's a wand, and it's not a wand, it's actually a pry bar. But first thing you want to do, babe, is you want to go ahead and loosen the lug nuts, because once the car is in the air, it's going to be very, very hard to do so. So we're going to go ahead, do that. I'll film Lara. I think these are 19 mil, if they're the same size as the XC70. And to give you guys a little on the XC70, I'm probably going to be making a video about this, but she's back to OEM, Xenons, wheels and everything. So yeah, that's another story for another day, but today we're going to be focusing on that. Nope, that's the wrong one. It's the one at the bottom right here. You want to open these. Yep, let's get to work, guys, because we have it should be pretty simple, but give you guys a little sneak peek. You look pretty good, so let's get to work. One's enough. Okay. Go ahead, you can do it. Let's watch a professional at work, guys. 17 years of automotive experience, 6 years, and you just did that one. You have to turn the socket. No, the whole thing. No, babe. It's a socket. You have to turn the wand. No, the wand, babe. The wand. Babe. Okay, look how the socket is made. Let's just see. Let's see, okay? This is how a socket is made, okay? So you see, this doesn't move, right? So what you want to do is you want to place it here. If it doesn't fit here, you rotate until it fits. See? Now it's snug. But you don't want to do it like that, because I don't think you'll be able to push up. So what you want to do is do it the upside down. Go like this. And do it, because I'm one hand on the... Just spin the whole thing, babe. No, the whole wand. Yeah, exactly. There you go. No. It has to be on tight. You're gonna strip the nut. There you go. Now press down all your weight. Don't hit the car with it. That's it. You're good. Oh, I wasn't even filming. All right, we're gonna get doing that, guys, because it might take a little while, but hey, she'll get it. She'll get it. All right, guys, so 45 minutes later, we've got the wheels. I'm just joking. Guys, it was actually 10 minutes. She did a good job for her first time.
5.
Okay, 5 minutes, I'll give it to you. So the lug nuts are loose. Now we're gonna go ahead and teach her how to jack a car. What is the way to jack a vehicle? How do you jack a vehicle? You have to put it on something that's strong, right? You don't put it on plastic, you don't put it on side skirts and things like that, because you'll crack the body. You make sure that it's solid. Most of the time you have the subframe in the front. If you bend down over here, you might find a hard subframe part underneath here. Or what you could do most of the time, garages, what they do is you find a suspension part right here, or you find a jack point on the side right here. It's hard to see now because we're not bent under the car, but that's how you do. So now we're gonna do that. I'm gonna teach her where to jack the car, because guys, these are basic knowledge. These are things that you need to know, that you're a car guy or car girl, yes or no, it doesn't matter. You need to know how to jack a car. You need to know how to change tires, because you don't want to be relying on people if ever you're stuck on the side of the highway. So we'll go ahead, we'll do that. Jack. Low point jack is ready, and yes, let's get to work.
It's Layla.
It's Layla? You called the jack Layla? Yeah. No, my jack doesn't have a name, but it's okay. Maybe in another life. All right. Okay, let's get to work. Jacking up the car. So now, babe, you just have to get it off an inch. That's good. That's good. Look at the tire. Look how the tire is. See? It's off about an inch, because you need an inch extra since these are 17-inch. So lift it up an inch. That's it. You put it up like that. Don't touch the stick, because you don't want to be shifting. And then we're going to go ahead and remove these. All the way. Stop. As soon as you hear it, you're going to hear it. Take that out. You're going to hear it. Oh, there's studs. It's true. You're right, because this is a Ford frame. There's studs. So it's going to be easy to install them. Same thing. No, don't hold the thing. It spins, babe. You're gonna hurt yourself, just like that. Yeah, that's it. Stop. Take it out. They're not all the same size, but okay. No, don't do that. Hold it. You hold it until it comes out.
Comes out?
No, you hold the trigger. When it does that, you hold the trigger. No, don't hold this. The trigger, babe.
So,
The trigger, yes. Hold it. Hold it all the way. That's it. Don't be shy with the trigger. Hold it all the way. You don't want to destroy the drill by doing like clack clack. Hold it. That's it. Now be careful. Well, it shouldn't come out because they're studs. So take the last one out. That's it. Take it out. Okay, good job. Now you can take the wheel out. You might have to kick it, but try to take it out with your hand. Don't put your feet under. Very important. Try to take it out. Don't pull too hard, but pull with the face. Yeah, face of the wheel. Pull. Is it not moving? We're gonna have to kick it. Alrighty guys, so everything is now installed. Lara actually did most of the work. I did the harder parts, of course, putting the tire back on because it's a little heavy for her. She's very strong. She goes to the gym, but we'll get that working. It's heavy tires, 17-inch for, you know, so for I don't know, for somebody that never worked on cars, I guess. Can I say? Hopefully you guys enjoy the final result. Guys, so final result looks good. To be honest with you guys, I would have went with the R Design wheels, but this is what we had when we bought the car. So what do you think, babe? Final result. And the very first mod, well, yeah, you could consider a mod. Wheels are mods, right? That she does on any car whatsoever. Well, or actually 70, she didn't do it herself. I actually did it for her, but this is all her. So props to you. What do we say to the people at the end?
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like,
subscribe, and turn on post notifications
so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See you, boys.